Hey there. It's been crazy lecturing online or offline to not only children but also the experienced, learned professional community. You cannot change the topic or agenda of lesson plan, but surely you can change the way same is presented. A dosa costs just 30 rupees on roadside stall, but the same dosa may cost 300 or even more in a 3-star eatery. What's the difference apart from quality? It's more about presentation, ambience, and the feel good factor. Same logic can be brought in lecturing also. Here are my genuine efforts to explain effective techniques with examples. Let us say you want to tell your audience about important parameters for effective lecturing methods. The outdated methods could be like this: putting all your bullets in phrases. You might be explaining each point, but your audience have already gone through them. Now there is hardly any reason to stick to it. What if I could give little catchy title with deeper meaning? What if I could present the same diagrammatically? Let us see the way through. Pursue preeminent progression means follow these important points in the entire process of lecturing. Prepare well, reproduce what you have prepared in such a way as if it's your last performance. Ensure to be precise and not deviating from the topic. Stay poised, calm, in case if any one of the audience suddenly questions you. When you answer question, not only importance of your point, but your potential is also tested. Once you complete the session, probe for what has gone right and wrong. Capitalize accordingly. From diagram of these 7 words, we have constructed a small story. Do you think this explanation will make audience hold their breath? I don't say that this is the only way, but this surely is one of the competitive ways. Let me give some more examples. Suppose you are presenting geographical scope of your research to the audience. Putting it in bullets like this is very common. Let us add X factor to it. Here comes diagrammatic, much more detailed representation of scope of research. Not only names of places, but also their map is presented appropriately. Believe me, it takes only 2 minutes to create this diagram if you know the right trick. But so much is the difference. Suppose trainer wants to graphically convey the information about 4 vessels, their capacity and actual storage, an operational problem. One method is he can tabulate it, no harm. Second method, it can be put up into this age-old graph. I think that's another poor show. Let us make it lively and realistic. Observe the relevant bluish background reflecting liquid. Graph displays the vessel-like structure followed by individual chemical levels in each of the vessel. Don't you think it adds life to your explanation? Yep. Let me go a little more academic. One of the hero of management theories, Honorable Mr. Maslow, whose theory of need hierarchy is very popular. Little animation and suitable iconic elements can bring lot more energy into it. Towards the end, how can I miss to show who the great man was? And let's give credit to him. Last example is about closing your session. Why to say just thank you? Why not to provide your soft business card so that needy can get back to you to discuss further? I hope this 5-minute lesson helps you to take your teaching quality to next level. All the best. Thank you so much.